was just sent this digital timer. This thing can be so handy, whether you're a teacher, parent, really anybody that needs to have a time to do something. Because this is all digital, you've got many different ways to program it and different sounds. You can have it high, low, or on vibrate. So if you're in a meeting and you know you have a timer you need to have, you can put that on vibrate so it doesn't disrupt the room. Now to turn it on, you have your buttons right here on the side, and it just lights up this really bright LED screen, and you can actually make it brighter just by clicking it up to the brightest setting. I'm going to bring you in here so you can take a look at this, but this does have a way that you can actually magnet it on if you did want to stick it up on a refrigerator so you can easily see that, or you can mount it. So I'll bring you in here and we will test it out. So here is the timer up close. It is nice and compact. Here's all your magnets here on the back and your little mounting as well. You've got your reset and then your voice on and off. This is a really nice little feature. You actually can set it up. You've got a little stand right here. On the side, you have your on as a lower setting here, or you can make that really bright. So you've got several different lighting options just as far as your brightness there. Then after about 10 seconds, just to save the battery, it will auto shut off. On this other side, you have your features of how loud you want that alarm to be. So that's really loud. Then you've got your medium, you've got no noise, or you've got vibrate. So we are going to turn this up here. At the top, you've got your timer. You have a 5-minute, your clear, and then your start time and pause. Now you have your 5-minute, but you can actually just roll this to change your minutes up and down. And you'll see it's actually counting down right here. There's your minutes and your seconds. You can actually adjust your seconds over here. So then if we want to bring it all the way down, and we'll just do a little 3-second timer so you can hear that. You heard that voice because I did have that voice on. So there it's at the lower speed. Here is at the higher sound. And then at the, you can hear that vibration that's going off now. And then we can just clear it. Does the same thing if you wanted to start a timer. You can actually just start a timer and it will count up for you as well. So now you've got your arrow blinking up. This is a nice little timer that you can use for all sorts of different activities, ways to mount it. And I love the versatility of being able to change the brightness and control the sound and all of that.